How's it going, guys? My name is Ishaan and welcome to the 5-minute series where we take a stock and break down its full technical analysis and exact strategies to profit off the stock, along with important news that you need to know about. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about good old NIO stock. With that being said, let's get to it. Alright, so jumping into NIO stock in this hourly chart, we can see a few things right off the bat. So first of all, we can see that the stock formed an inverse head and shoulders right here at $34. We got the left shoulder, we got the head and the right shoulder, and we ended up squeezing higher, and now the stock is trending up, which is a nice bullish reversal pattern, and so I really like to see that. Along with that, it looks like we're forming an ascending triangle right here for the last few days. We can see how it's getting tighter and tighter in this range with this horizontal resistance line up here at $46, and usually ascending triangles signal that the stock is going to head higher and squeeze up, but there's always potential, like I say in all my other videos, that it could also head lower, and that's why it's all about waiting for confirmation and actually waiting to see which way it ends up breaking. Does it break higher or does it break lower? We can also see that volume has somewhat died down during the formation of this triangle as the stock has been consolidating, so it will be very important to be monitoring the volume as this continues to play out to see which side is stepping up. And if you want to learn all of this, I highly recommend you check out the Gen Z Trader Academy link down below. Along with that, we can see how the MACD is starting to dip into slightly oversold territory, and it actually looks like the MACD line, which is the red MACD line, is beginning to cross above the green signal line, and when that happens, that shows that the momentum is shifting in favor of the bulls, so that is also looking somewhat bullish. Now going to the daily chart, we can see that things are looking a little choppy and a little mixed. As we can see right over here on this candle, the stock formed the dragonfly doji. We can see how the stock dropped down quite low, yet buyers were able to step up and push the stock all the way back up, forming this candle with a long bottom wick. So that shows that buyers took control on that candle. However, that didn't really lead to much, as now in the next 2 days and even today, we can see that sellers are stepping up and trying to take back control and drop the stock even further lower. So that's why I'm saying that things are looking somewhat mixed now. And now that you get a rough understanding of the technicals, let me tell you where exactly the stock could go depending on which way this ascending triangle breaks out. And along with that, we'll discuss the exact strategies you can use to profit off NIO stock. So if the stock ends up breaking above this $46 level and squeezing higher on this ascending triangle breakout, the first option is to be buying into that breakout at 46. That 46 breakout will probably result in a pretty big move higher, probably up to about this $50 level, because we peaked out right over here at $50. Above 50, the stock could then be running up here to about 53, where it peaked right over here, and then above 53 I could definitely see the stock return up to 55, where we were facing resistance in this general area right over here. Now if the stock breaks lower, which is totally possible, it's totally possible that it ends up breaking lower, then we have support right here at around this $42 level. We can see right over here, we can see the stock pop down, boom, pop down, boom, and we form somewhat of a double bottom right over here. And so if the stock finds support at 43 and then starts trending higher again, that will be a bullish signal, and then that's another chance to be entering the stock. If the stock breaks below 43, then the stock could be heading down all the way to about this $40 level right over here. We found support at 40 over here. We found support over here. That's another place where you could be looking to enter if that plays out. So those are the 3 scenarios I definitely see playing out in the short term. As always, make sure you wait for confirmation and you're being patient and waiting to see actually which way this triangle ends up breaking out. Real quick, I want to talk about this analyst who suggests that NIO could still rise in additional 32% from here. Essentially, he discusses the battery as a service business model and how that still allows NIO to qualify for Chinese subsidies, and this is something I've personally stressed so much in my previous videos. I've talked about how NIO has continuously reinvested back into their business with the cash that they had. As a result of that, that's why they're growing so rapidly, because they're offering all these different services that no one else is, whether that's NIO houses, NIO spaces. This is what differentiates them. People can get access to their self-driving features by paying a subscription fee, and now we can see even Tesla is somewhat copying that. And along with that, the analyst also says that he believes that NIO has significant growth potential as it expands into China and into Europe. Now that the company has about 6.5 billion at the end of 2020, they now have plenty of cash to first of all grow in China and then start building facilities in Europe and start marketing there and getting their business up and running over there as well. And so I just believe that NIO is being led by great management who understands that right now is not the time to be worried about profitability and all. Right now it's the time to spend money, reinvest into the business, and start taking a larger and larger market share from companies like Tesla. So guys, check out the Gen Z Trader Academy link down below, where my goal is to help you learn technical analysis so that you can become more profitable and make better entry and exit points. The course is getting a huge update at the end of this month, and the current sale will be ending, so be sure to get access right now. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.